agambaho n'abazeire akujwara kw'abeegi ba top class abarukwinganigana aishomero lya Afrobeto Nursery and Primary School irikushanga omuseero ya Kibingo mu Hoima West Division uri mu rwanizi w'obugabe w'abantu Yashmini yahiga abazeire hamwe n'abandi bantu abarukorera abana ukora ikiri kubasika cyona kurebeka barinda abana babo mu cyumure cyaza kutandika tabahabisubwa muri ngo gumwe Yashmini Nambi yahiga abazeire ubutekereza abana babo kutayira burumya buzare we n'uri mu nsomo abo kubo ukuntu begera emze mingi iri kubahabisa nk'abana.
Upon the parents, especially that we are moving into the long holidays, let us play our parental role, yes, and ensure that we have time for our children. You'll be shocked if you visited the prisons and found how many aggravated
yayo nzira higa abazeire ukwegesa abana b'aboojo hamwe n'abaishiki emirimo irukushana abo kubo mu ishike byarukwetenga mu nsomo no mojo byarukwetenga.
Advocate a lot for the girl child, but also the boy child is like that race. So let's balance out on the protection. And even when we are enrolling them in school, let's give them equal opportunities for the boy and the girl. What a girl can become, a boy can become. Let's not discriminate. I know there have had incidences when the family, probably the pockets are dry, and they're like, whatever I have remaining cannot be taken. Let me take the boy. For him, maybe the girl can marry off.
Ibi bikiri aho Fred Mukisa uri muyembezi mukuru wa Uganda Clothing Society nawe yahiga abazeire hamwe n'abashomesa ukora ikiri kubasika cyona kurebeka bashagika taranta z'abana barukura birumbi mzano ukweshongora hamwe no kugambira mu bantu abo kubenso bwahati negumane hinduka tekira habyo mu class byonka.
Covering talents and active learning enhancement, in my opinion, is timely, and I am grateful to the organizers for the choice of this theme. Discovering talent. Talent is nothing without dedication and discipline. And dedication and discipline is equally a talent itself. We have seen our children here that
look into other factors. The world is changing. There is a paradigm shift. We do self-esteem, and it's good that we are doing that, but we can also perfect it. Self-esteem, the confidence sells, even when you don't know what you're talking about, for as long as you can present. Presentation skills, public speaking, conflict resolution. One once argued that if your child cannot manage their emotions, then you're wasting time. So soft skills like emotional intelligence, these are things that we should also be further instilling in our children.
Jennifer Mugasa Atwine uri mutandiki mukuru w'ishimiro ya Afrobeto Nursery and Primary School nawe yahiga abazeire ukongera amani umukutandikisiza abana babo muza nasare abo birunze byashobora.
I know this is happening. Nursery school plays a very big impact on the children's academic excellence at all levels. Gone are the days when some people thought that taking children for nursery was a wasted of time. But I'm glad that the group of ladies and gentlemen here didn't see it that way. Allow me inform you that even the excellent performance we have always had at PL is built from the grassroots as far back as baby class. I have been informed by the head teacher, the director of studies, all the children in top class been admitted in P1. Congratulations, and I'm very proud of you.
Kuraga gashakwa God asaba our Sky TV agenshonga umurembo wa Hoima.